Have you ever felt like you're drowning in laundry? Mountains of clothes pile up, clean socks mysteriously disappear, and the dryer transforms everything into a wrinkled mess. Fear not, weary warrior. The magical land of laundry apps promises a sparkling solution. One such app, Tide, has taken the cleaning world by storm. But with all its features and functionalities, a crucial question arises: can you navigate the sudsy seas with just one account, or do you need a whole armada? Let's dive deep, pun intended, and find out. The solo sailor, one account for all. For most folks, a single Tide account is all you need. It's your trusty captain on the laundry voyage. You can set up wash cycles. Tide helps you choose the perfect settings based on fabric type and stain level. No more deciphering cryptic symbols on your washing machine. Schedule washes, laundry on autopilot? Yes, please. Set your washer to go off when you're out conquering the day, not wrestling with dirty clothes. Track laundry progress. No more frantic door opening to check if the cycle is done. Tide sends notifications right to your phone, freeing you to tackle other tasks. Access helpful resources. Stuck on a stain removal mystery? Tide's app has a wealth of articles and guides to save the day, or at least your favorite shirt. Benefits of a single account. Simplicity. One account means one login, one set of preferences. No need to juggle multiple accounts and remember passwords. Seamless integration. All your laundry data stays in one place, making it easier to track wash cycles and adjust settings based on past experiences. Focus on washing, not accounts. Less time managing accounts translates to more time conquering your laundry list. Pun again, we can't help ourselves. The crew life. Multiple accounts for specific needs. But wait. There might be situations where a single account isn't enough. Here's where the crew life comes in. Shared laundry responsibilities, living with roommates or a large family. Multiple accounts allow everyone to manage their own laundry needs, track their wash cycles, and receive individual notifications. Separate laundry needs. Do you have delicate clothes that require special care? A dedicated account for delicates ensures you have customized settings to avoid laundry disasters. Business or rental properties. If you manage rental properties or run a laundry service, separate accounts keep things organized. You can monitor laundry progress for each unit or client without mixing personal laundry in. Making multiple accounts work. If you decide to go the multiple account route, here are some tips. Clear labeling. Use email addresses that clearly differentiate between accounts, e.g., personal.laundry@email.com and business.laundry@email.com. Shared login strategy. If managing multiple accounts for one household, consider creating a shared login document with clear instructions to avoid confusion. Communication is key. Let everyone using the app know which account belongs to whom and what settings they should use for their laundry. The final rinse cycle. Choosing your account strategy. So, how many Tide accounts do you need? It depends on your individual laundry situation. Most people can manage just fine with a single account. But for those with specific needs, multiple accounts offer organization and control. Ultimately, the best approach is the one that keeps your laundry running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, Tide is here to help you conquer your laundry woes, not create more. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your clothes clean and your laundry stress-free.